5,000 shares of JEPI, the monthly income math becomes genuinely life-changing. Not in the, influencer hype sense, in the actual number sense. When you combine the monthly distributions from 5,000 shares with the covered call income from 50 contracts of JEPI, you're looking at a combined monthly income figure that starts to really replace a potential salary from a position that requires literally no active management on the JEPI side and only a few hours a month on the covered call side that we're going to go over. But getting to 5,000 shares costs around $290,000, and the question, is it worth it, deserves an honest answer. That really accounts for what else 290K could be doing for you. Here's what 5,000 shares of JEPI actually produces in plain numbers, okay? 5,000 shares, approximately $58 a share, is a $290,000 position. At a 9% annual yield, the monthly distribution on 5,000 shares is approximately $2,100 a month, or roughly $26K a year. At 10% in higher volatility months, it reaches $2,400 a month. That monthly income arrives without requiring any decisions at all. JP Morgan's fund management team runs the covered call overlay completely, right? You receive the distributions. It's the definition of passive income at any kind of scale. But here's where it gets significantly more interesting. 5,000 shares equals exactly 50 options contract. A conservative monthly covered call at 40 cents a share on 5,000 shares using the upper Bollinger Band timing approach that we like to talk about generates an additional $2,000 per month in premium on top of the distribution. Combined, approximately $4,100 a month in total income from a $290,000 position. Annualized, that's roughly $50,000, approximately 17% combined annual yield on the deployed capital. From a position that involves checking in on the covered call timing a few hours a month. But here's the framework for really answering the is it worth it question. The answer totally depends entirely on what you're optimizing for and what you do with $290,000 otherwise. For someone in retirement who needs monthly income to, cover, let's say, their living expenses and wants that income to arrive consistently without, active management on their side, 5,000 shares of JEPI is one of the cleanest income generation setups available to us. $2,100 a month from JEPI's, distributions alone, growing slightly over time is a predictable base that doesn't depend on your skill at all, your timing, or any decisions each month, okay? Add the covered call layer on 50 contracts when conditions favor it though, and the total monthly income approaches the level where, most people at least can meet or substantially, supplement their living expenses, at least of mine. For someone in the, accumulation phase who doesn't really need income yet and has, let's say, 15 to 20 years before retirement, the same $290,000 in like SCHD, SPY, or QQQ compounds differently and produces significantly more total wealth over that time horizon. The 17% combined yield from JEPI plus covered calls for sure is compelling for income generation right now. However, it's less compelling as a 20-year wealth building vehicle, okay? So you got to figure that out. The answer is it worth it? Is worth it for income, not necessarily worth it for, maximum wealth accumulation, okay? Let's talk about what $2,100 a month actually means for us here. And let me make that number really concrete in a real life context for us. $2,100 a month is roughly $26,000 a year. In many parts of the United States, that covers a big portion of a household's, essential living expenses, groceries, utilities, car insurance, maybe phone bills, any kind of streaming services. For someone with let's say Social Security income or a pension, $2,100 per month from JEPI for sure could represent the difference between, covering all expenses and needing to work, right? For someone still building towards their retirement, $2,100 a month in investment income, represents passive income that, can supplement their salary. Essentially, really a second income stream that really doesn't require any additional hours of work on your part. The significance of 5,000 shares isn't just the math, right? It's the income crosses a psychological and practical threshold where it starts to really change the financial picture of our daily lives. Let's talk about the covered calls on this thing, okay? Because the covered call layer at 5,000 shares is where this setup becomes, exceptional in the income category, at least in my opinion. 50 contracts in a month when JEPI has pushed right, towards its upper Bollinger Band with strikes 4 to 6% above its current price, generates approximately $2,000 in premium. That's in addition to the $2,100 from the distribution that same exact month. In those months, maybe let's say only 6 to 8 times per year when the setup is really favorable, the total monthly income approaches $4,100 in quieter months where the covered call setup isn't right and you just skip it, right? Income drops to just the distribution at $2,100. You don't have to do it every month. The annual blended average, let's say for both of these, approximately, $50,000 from 290K deployed. That's about 17% combined yield. The key point I'm trying to make is at 100 shares, one covered call contract generates $40 in a good month. Noticeable, not transformative. At 5,000 shares though, 50 contracts generates $2,000. Transformative. The scale is where the strategy's full potential really becomes visible for. But let's talk about, is it worth, to comparing it, but is this worth it compared to alternatives, okay? And this is really the honest side-by-side. 290K in JEPI generating 17% combined annual yield, approximately $50,000 a year in income, position value relatively flat, ordinary income tax classification. 290,000 in SCHD is around 9,000 shares, approximately $9,400 a year in current dividends, growing at 9% annually plus share price appreciation. In 10 years, SCHD position grows to roughly $660,000 with dividends reinvested. In 20 years, significantly more than that. 290K in the wheel strategy at 15% annual return, approximately $43,000 a year in active options income, with the capital base compounding at 15% if income is reinvested. JEPI wins on current income right now. SCHD wins on long-term wealth creation. The wheel strategy wins on total return if executed well. None of them is objectively the correct answer. The right choice totally depends on which of those three outcomes you need the most. The investor who needs $4,000 a month to cover, retirement expenses starting now should look seriously at JEPI's 5,000 share setup. The investor who has 15 years before needing income should probably not put 290K into an income fund, optimized for just only current payout. But here's my honest summary of all this. 5,000 shares of JEPI with the covered call layer produces, almost $50,000 a year in combined income from a $300,000 account. That's some good income set up for any investor or anybody really approaching the income phase of their financial life. The is it worth it answer, yes, if your primary goal is reliable, right? High monthly income in the near term, and you understand that the position value won't compound significantly the way, your growth assets would. It's a no if your primary goal is maximum wealth in 15 to 20 years, in which case the same 290K in SCHD, SPY, QQQ produces dramatically more total value through compounding over that same time horizon. 5,000 shares of JEPI is an income engine, all right? Not a wealth engine. Used for the purpose it's designed for, generating monthly income at scale, amplified by the covered call layer at even 50 contracts. It's one of the most efficient income setups available to us retail investors. I got some questions for you guys as always down below in the comments section. Number one, how many JEPI shares are you currently working towards right now? And is your goal primarily income now or building towards a larger future position for yourself? And number two, do you hold JEPI in your Roth IRA to eliminate the ordinary income tax drag or in a taxable account? And have you really calculated what the difference means annually at 5,000 shares? Let me know down below in the comment section. And if you're a beginner just getting started with all this, I want to invite you to our beginner workshop, the Ark Options Strategy workshop. It'll be the first link in the description. At the end of it, you get my 15 favorite stocks under $30, my 2 premium calculators, and my full trade log template, all completely for free. You'll find that as the first link in the description of today's video, guys. As always, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.